Okay, welcome to day 4 of learning how to dance using our basic elements. Today we're going to do the rumba, and it's going to be using our walking steps and our side steps. So again, we're going to start off with our left foot. We're going to step forward. We're going to step to the side. We're going to bring our feet together. So we do a walking step going back, followed by a side step going and bringing our feet together. So we have forward, and we have our side together, then we have our back, and our side together. So with a partner, it's gonna look like this. We're gonna make our basic dance frame. If you don't remember how to do that, go back to our video on the dance frame. Now we're gonna go forward, we go side, we bring our feet together, we go back, we go side, and bring the feet together. So we have a slow, a quick, quick, a slow, a quick, quick, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is going to be our basic rumba. Make sure to like and subscribe to see our future videos.